Since I cannot find stuff that I want to in stores, yeah, that's a real pickle. I decided to resort to online for buying Adam Roadriguez here, along with Randy and many others. Since my stores just suck this year. I don't know why. It's a lot like the incident back in 2021 to 2022. Except it's only affecting me and no other people. Kind of stupid, I know. But anyways, let's just pretend that Adam Roadriguez doesn't exist in Cars on the Road and that he is in Cars 3. Well, he does exist on the Cars on the Road episode Trucks. We'll talk about that a little bit later on. But anyways, he is in 2023 Singles Case J, along with West Philanopus, Nile Speedcone, Buster Mater, and many others. So, enough about that. He is getting a re-release for 2024. And he's also in 2023 Singles Case M, but I haven't found a lot of that at all. The only remnants I found were the Axelrod with the open hood and the Mark Wheelson. Yep, just had to look at that. Those are the only ones I found. So, he looks pretty nice in the package. New for 2023. Here's his card art. Cars on the Road. I know it's not present on the card art, but he's got some dirt and dust. We'll talk about that as well. Adam Roadriguez. Yep, so in the trucks episode, he was like shown in like a sequence where the trucks were showing off one by one. Or like presenting themselves one by one, I should say, as seen in Cars on the Road. Road Rumbler Mater, Mateo, West Philanopus, Quadratorcasar, Griswold, and Nile Speedcone. All 5 of these I've reviewed before, except for the Quadratorcasar. But don't worry, he's getting a re-release in 2024. So enough about that. Let's get Adam on out. Let's get Adam on out. That was easy as pie, let me tell ya. Yep, easy as pie. Wow. Amazing, Adam. Adam looks amazing out of there. Zoom the camera down. I'm gonna throw the trash away, except for the card art. I'm gonna keep that. So, of course I already went over where Adam Roadriguez appeared in the episode. And he is actually based off the Pixar employee, I would believe, Adam Roadriguez. Which, that's pretty cool. They're doing more of these reference type stuff. Anyways, I think I've went on long enough, so we'll take a look at him. He's got his green eyes with an eye plate. Of course, because it's Thailand. The grill here with the front headlights and the mouth and the bumper. $209 with the star symbol and the wrench. Got some dirt or dust on his sides. Got some rust on his wheels as well. Maybe he's working hard. Race, Fire, and Rescue. Hey, I wonder if he's in correlation with Tiny. Yeah, we'll do that in a moment. Got some compartments with storage and stuff. The door. Some lights for his sirens. This back half is plastic and the front part is metal. Well, most of the front part's metal. Keep back. Race, Fire, and Rescue with some back doors and his back lights and the little wrench thing again. 209 with some dust and dirt again. Race Fire and Rescue with some more dirt and dust on the side. 209. Kind of weird how, like, the metal color is different compared to the plastic part. You can see it on camera. It's way more visible on camera than in real life. So on the top, we've got his... I don't know what that's called, but I know it's the siren on top there. And yeah, we're back to where we originally were. Pretty nice. I would prefer it if he was actually released under the official mainline like Breaker Boggs was. But we just didn't go down that route, did we? Such a shame. I got a bit of a paint effect on mine. You can see that. Yeah, that sucks. Hey, it's gone. Never mind. That's kind of funny, what happened right there. Just overall an amazing die cast. I'll put him with Tiny Lugsworth. Alright, so... S26A. It's right on this part right here. I'm not going to do that joke anymore. It's too old. Nope, no license plate at all. Got some danger stripes as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for Mr. Adam Roadriguez here. Here he is with Tiny Lugsworth. Kind of cool. I know it's not the same logo, but still. Imagine if Adam was present in McQueen's crash. That would be so cool. What do I think about Adam? He's awesome. A needed addition, definitely, for the Piston Cup series. Just put him right there with some other staff. So, that is going to be pretty much it for Mr. Adam Roadriguez here. So, yeah, guys. I will see you on the 1st of December. Start of the official Christmas season. After that, we'll go on from there to another custom, and then Randy, and then Countdown to Christmas series with some reviews in between. Sorry, seasonal stuff. So, I will see you guys then. Goodbye. Thanks for watching, and as always, peace. Oh. Actually, whoa, Mr. Adam Roadriguez. No need to go to the rescue just yet. He is not really similar at all to Christoph Stopski's front part, but I'll bring up someone who is. Give me a moment. Yep. We have gotten Ray Reverham, Jackson Storm's crew chief. And the front metal portion is pretty similar, I gotta say. Maybe they copied it off of Jackson Storm's crew chief. I wouldn't be surprised. If you'd like to see the review of Ray Reverham and Laura Spinwell, you can definitely check those out. Because that was like 3 years ago. Now we're going to go goodbye. Alright, Adam is nice and snug on that shelf. Now, I am going to go use the... There you are! What are you doing with Bart? Figures.